everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Premium Bonds account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in the URL www.nsandi.com and press enter on your keyboard. To log into your premium bonds, click on the login button at the top right. Premium bonds are an investment product issued by National Saving and Investment, also known as NS&I. Go ahead and log in by entering your NSI number in the first text box. If you've forgotten your number, click the Forgotten Your NS&I number link and follow the instructions to look for it. On the next field, type in your surname. Now, enter the password that you created while signing up for the account, and then you can click on the login button if your credentials are correct. If you've forgotten your password, get help by clicking on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Finally, after clicking on the login button, you'll be able to access your Premium Bonds account right away from your computer. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.